Are your audit files passing partner and quality reviews with flying colors? Today, we dive into mastering the art of preparing audit reports that not only meet but exceed expectations. From meticulous documentation to strategic analysis, every detail counts. Remember, the key to success lies in the precision of your work. So, let's fine-tune our approach and elevate our standards together. Ready to unlock the secrets to seamless audits? Let's get started. Today, we dive into the core elements of auditing. We start by deciphering the 4 types of audit opinions. Then, we unravel the significance of emphasis of matter and qualification paragraphs in reports. Next, we focus on crafting audit files that adhere to professional standards. Lastly, we master the art of effectively responding to review notes and feedback. From understanding opinions to perfecting documentation, this course equips you with vital skills for a successful audit journey. In the world of auditing, the audit report stands as the ultimate outcome of your meticulous efforts. It serves as the auditor's official verdict on whether the financial statements are genuinely and accurately represented. Following a structured format dictated by auditing standards, the report ensures uniformity and clarity. Each report comprises crucial sections, such as the title, addressee, introduction, management's and auditor's responsibilities, the opinion statement, and the auditor's signature with the date. Understanding this framework is paramount before delving into the various types of opinions. Ever wondered what goes into an audit report? It's more than just a formality. The key components are like pieces of a puzzle that come together to paint a clear picture. From the title and addressee setting the stage to the opinion paragraph delivering the final verdict, each section plays a vital role. Management's responsibility and the auditor's duty are clearly defined, ensuring transparency and accountability. And just like a signature on a contract, the auditor's report is sealed with a signature and date, marking the completion of the audit work. In essence, an audit report is a comprehensive document that provides assurance and clarity to stakeholders. Ever wondered what kind of messages auditors convey through their opinions? There are 4 types of audit opinions, each revealing a distinct story about the financial statements. The unqualified opinion, also known as the clean opinion, is the ideal outcome indicating that the financial statements are accurately presented without significant errors. On the other hand, a qualified opinion points out a specific issue while affirming overall fairness. An adverse opinion signals serious material misstatements across the financial statements, while a disclaimer arises when auditors lack sufficient evidence to form an opinion due to limitations in scope. These opinions serve as critical indicators of financial statement reliability, guiding stakeholders in their decision-making. When it comes to issuing opinions, understanding the distinctions between unqualified, qualified, adverse, and disclaimer opinions is essential. Unqualified opinions are given when no issues are present, and statements are fairly presented. Qualified opinions arise when there is a specific material misstatement or scope limitation. Adverse opinions are issued for widespread material misstatements, while disclaimer opinions result from severe scope limitations preventing a clear opinion. Remember, material refers to significance influencing decisions, and pervasive indicates widespread issues throughout financial statements. Each opinion type serves a unique purpose based on the specific circumstances at hand. Are misstatements pervasive? Are errors widespread? Do material misstatements lurk within? Have we gathered sufficient evidence? This decision framework guides you in determining the correct audit opinion. Start by assessing if you have the necessary audit evidence. If so, scrutinize for material misstatements and their pervasiveness. By following this structured approach, you ensure the right opinion type is chosen consistently. Ever come across an emphasis of matter paragraph in financial statements and wonder what it signifies? Unlike altering the audit opinion, this paragraph flags important details for users. It highlights significant aspects like going concern uncertainties, post-year-end events, accounting policy changes, and related party transactions. Essentially, it's a heads-up section post-opinion, guiding attention to crucial disclosures. Picture it as a spotlight on key areas, urging a closer look without altering the overall unqualified opinion. These paragraphs serve as signposts for critical information, ensuring nothing vital gets overlooked. Ever wondered what falls outside the financial statements but still impacts an audit report? Other matter paragraphs shed light on crucial details beyond the numbers. Unlike emphasis of matter paragraphs, these tackle issues surrounding the audit itself. When do we turn to these paragraphs? When the prior year's opinion differs in reporting on comparative financial statements, when restrictions affect the audit report's use or distribution, when explaining supplementary information alongside audited statements, or when addressing required supplementary information mandated by standard setters. These paragraphs ensure a comprehensive understanding of the audit context. Remember, clarity is key in navigating these crucial additions. Ever wondered how auditors address different types of information in their reports? Emphasis of matter highlights specifics within financial statements, ensuring transparency without affecting the audit opinion. On the other hand, other matter delves into audit-related issues beyond the statements, again maintaining an unaltered opinion. Both serve to enrich understanding and communication without signaling any concerns about the financial health of the entity. Remember, these nuances are crucial for a comprehensive audit process. What makes high-quality audit documentation crucial? It's the key to acing partner and quality reviews. Your work papers should paint a vivid picture, guiding reviewers through the work done, evidence collected, and conclusions drawn, even in your absence. Professional standards demand clarity in documentation, enough for any seasoned auditor to grasp the audit's scope, timing, actions, and outcomes. In a nutshell, your documentation must speak for itself. In the world of audit documentation, the documentation principle reigns supreme. If it's not documented, it didn't happen. Every work paper must sing with clarity, detailing objectives, procedures, results, and conclusions. This narrative of evidence must unfold contemporaneously, not as an afterthought when memories fade. Without this foundation, our work lacks credibility during reviews and inspections. Remember, documentation is the backbone that supports our integrity in the audit process. Strong documentation in accounts receivable confirmation procedures paints a clear picture of accuracy and completeness. By meticulously detailing sample size, actions taken for non-responses, and final results, reviewers can confidently affirm the financial status. Conversely, weak documentation leaves gaping holes, making it impossible to discern the actual work done. Imagine sifting through vague statements with no real insight. Frustrating, right? So, next time you document, remember, specificity is key to ensuring a thorough and reliable review process. Are you ready to create rock-solid documentation for your testing procedures? First, clearly state your objective, tying it back to the assertion you're addressing. Next, dive into detailed procedures, leaving no stone unturned from sample sizes to specific tests performed. Document your findings with precision, noting any exceptions and how you resolved them. Form a logical conclusion that ties back to your objective, supported by the results. Ensure proper references to back up your work, linking to supporting schedules and source documents. Finally, review the evidence thoroughly, with preparer and reviewer signatures validating your process. Remember, meticulous documentation is key to a successful testing process. In Chapter 4, we delve into the pivotal quality review process. This intricate system is meticulously crafted to uphold the highest professional standards in audit work. At every level, from senior staff to managers and partners, your work undergoes thorough scrutiny before the audit report is finalized. Reviewers meticulously analyze the documentation for completeness, accuracy, and adherence to auditing standards. Their assessment focuses on the sufficiency and appropriateness of evidence gathered and the soundness of the drawn conclusions. Expect queries and requests for additional work during reviews. It's all part of the process. Have you ever wondered what those review notes really mean? They're not critiques, but valuable insights into your audit work. Let's break it down. Clarification requests prompt you to explain further, while documentation gaps signal missing details. Be ready for additional procedures that call for more testing, and tackle technical issues head-on. Remember, each note is a chance to learn and improve. So, embrace them as stepping stones to audit excellence. In the world of audit reviews, resolving notes is key. Each note demands attention, each concern must be addressed. The workflow is clear: understand, receive, document, perform. Your response is the bridge to finalizing the audit file. So, never ignore a note, clear them all. Document clearly, so the reviewer sees your solution. Effective resolution is systematic and essential. Now, let's dive into the next step. Are you ready to ace your review process? Start by documenting contemporaneously. Jot down details right as you work for top-notch documentation. Next, self-review your work to ensure clarity for others. Cross-reference your documents for seamless navigation and always state clear conclusions. Proactively communicate complex issues with reviewers to avoid misunderstandings. And remember, address review notes promptly to keep the process moving smoothly. Stay sharp and efficient in your review practices for optimal results. Ever wondered how financial statements communicate reliability? There are 4 distinct opinion types to decode: unqualified, qualified, adverse, and disclaimer. Each conveys a unique message. Emphasis paragraphs provide crucial context, while maintaining the integrity of the opinion. Remember, documentation is key. If it's not recorded, it didn't happen. Complete work papers should detail objectives, procedures, results, and conclusions. And don't fret over review notes, they're a normal part of the process. Be prepared for questions from reviewers, address them systematically, and document your responses clearly. In the world of financial statements, clarity and thoroughness are paramount. Question 1. A company on the brink of collapse with appropriate disclosures for going concern. What opinion to give? Answer: B. Emphasis of matter paragraph with unqualified opinion. Question 2. Uncovering a material misstatement in inventory valuation, but management won't correct it. What opinion should you issue? Answer: B. Qualified. Question 3. What's true about audit documentation? Answer: C. An experienced auditor should be able to understand the work from documentation alone. In audit reporting decisions, clarity and precision are paramount.